Alright, so I just found this completely free dinghy. It's actually a sailing dinghy on the side of the road in my neighborhood. It's in pretty rough shape. I'm gonna flip it over here so you can see on the inside. It's pretty bad, pretty rough. But we're gonna see what we can do with it. There's actually no transom in here at all right now. Looks like I'm missing a bunch of parts, and I gotta replace the trim and stuff. There's a ton of sand in there, but first step is always clean it up. So give me 1 second here, and you're just gonna see the cleaning process, and I'll go ahead and get to work. Alright, that's gonna be it for this evening. It's already looking much better, but there's a lot of work to be done. This thing is not structurally sound, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright, quick update here. I am gonna go ahead and power wash it down. I cleaned this once already with a brush and a lot of cleaner, but now I'm gonna go ahead and power wash it to see if we can get everything off. Also, I figured out there's a missing S right here, so it's soubrette, and it means like a feisty fictional woman character in a play or a TV show, which I thought was interesting. It's French. So yeah, learning a little bit more about this thing. I also think it's called an El Toro sailing dinghy. It's probably like 8.5 foot if I had to guess. I need to measure it still. But yeah, I'm learning a little bit more. I posted online and had a couple people reach out and suggest that maybe there's an S there. Shout out Mitch Gunther. So that's what it means. I don't know if I'm going to put the S back on or what. I still don't know what I'm going to do with this boat at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and power wash it now, and I'll be back with you in a second here. Alright, that is looking pretty good. I call that finalized. I did take some of the blue paint off in a couple areas. I noticed up here I have basically, I think this is a keel or like a rudder. Maybe it's no, I think it's a keel insert, but basically the fiberglass is separating. There's holes all around that, so that would have to be fixed. It might not be seaworthy like that, I don't know. Off this test. Actually, it probably is because the keel goes up in the boat. Let's see. Yeah, it might be. I don't know. There's some separation there. It might not be. See some cracking there. Big patch right there. But it looks like the patch probably held. Transom definitely would need big work. There's a patch that's kind of not holding up here. And a big crack right there. Well, yeah. It looks okay. Alright, I'm gonna call that done, ladies and gents. It's looking much better. Let me know what I should do with this boat. I think it might be a little too much work for what it's worth. I don't even have a title for this thing, so I wouldn't even be able to take it out, really. Or if I did, it wouldn't be in accordance with the law, and I don't want to do that. So, what should I do? What should I do with it? Should I make it a pond? Should I just sit it in my garden? Make it a little garden decoration? You guys let me know. If I get enough attention, if I get enough likes and comments to do the rebuild, that's always a possibility. But I will say, I have another boat project cooking in the works right now. I could be potentially picking up a little 10-foot speedboat. So depending on what I do with that, if I end up buying it, this will probably get sidelined. But let me know in the comments what you would be interested in watching next. So far, this has been a pretty fun series. I mean, you can't beat a trash boat, right? So yeah, let me know what you're thinking. If I get enough ideas or cool things to do with this boat, I'll definitely do it. I might just let you guys completely decide with like a poll or something, but I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching. Consider liking and subscribing if you like the content.